So for the chilas, what I'm going to use is a mixture of sprouts. Okay, so why sprouts? Because it's again low glycemic. Yes, so low glycemic value. Whenever you sprout a bean, the carbs or the carbohydrates in them is what gets used for the growth process. So automatically the calorie content or the glycemic load of your beans will go down. Okay, so if in case you guys are in the habit of sprouting and you have a batch of sprouts remaining, even if they're a mix of different sprouts, it does not matter. So you've got some chickpea sprouts, some mung bean sprouts, some alfalfa sprouts, you can throw them all in together. Yeah. So I'm just going to grind that up with a little bit of water. So these are just mung beans. There's just water, right? Yes, I'm just going to add a little bit of water. So we add as we go on. You can use only sprouts as the base for making your chilas, which is the pancake. But I'm going to use a little bit of besan because it helps to bind. Besan is chickpea flour.
Can you show us the consistency of the...
I would want this, I would generally not add the chickpea flour into this, but because it's not grinding up very fine, okay, if you've got a small blender, my small blender is not going to take this. If you've got a small blender, you get a paste, that's perfectly fine. Okay, so I'm just going to add this in because. So I mean, it's just remember when you're cooking with any beans, any lentils, they are gas forming and they are airy. So you've got to add spices that will help to ease digestion. So you always cook dal, like typically Indian is like dal is always made with cumin because cumin helps to ease digestion. You have coriander that's added. Coriander helps to ease digestion. So you add the ingredients in your lentils. So even if you're cooking the pancakes, you're going to add cumin into the batter. So now what I've got is quite watery. I'm just going to add some more chickpea flour into it.
Could you use almond flour?
You could use almond flour. You could use millet flour.
Right.
Yeah, so you
Right.
So with the chilas again, what you can use the chilas for is like a base for a wrap. So just a plain chila, cooked nice and thin, can be used as a wrap. So when you put any stuffing into it, even if it's just vegetarian or vegetables, you've got enough proteins in your base already. Okay, or you could do a breakfast, like a vegetarian omelette where you put onions and tomatoes and whatever vegetables you have, you can just throw it into it and cook it up like an omelette. Yeah.
Very, very slim.
Okay. So I'm going to try it with this consistency. If I find it's too difficult to cook, then I'll add a little more chickpea, but I'm just going to leave it at this.
First one is always.
So I'm going to start adding stuff into this. So just some cumin, whole, again for digestion. Good. Turmeric. You could add chilies, you could add coriander into the base as well.
The sweet version, isn't there a Kerala version?
So you can add coconut into it. So you can add a little bit of coconut and jaggery into the batter. So you get sweet dosa.
Yes.
Or you can add a sweet stuffing, which is what we do here. So we add a sweet stuffing to the dosa. So we make a normal regular dosa, and then you you know, you have desiccated coconut, you put some jaggery into it, chop some nuts, and that's your stuffing. So you stuff
So
it.
it's like a sweet.
That
And
is
the
sweet.
dosa is what's so healthy.
It's not.
Urad is not.
It's
So
not
that's why
very
you
good.
can
It's
use
not
a
very good for you.
combination
I didn't know
of.
it was bad.
It's
I mean,
a
it still has a high glycemic value
It has
than
a-
the
Yeah,
others.
it's not very
So
good for
when
health.
you're making it home, you use a combination of moong and urad.
Yeah.
Or if you sprout it.
So unless I'm just going to add a little vegetable salad.
Yes. I don't know that it's figure out.
So any vegetables you have.
So this is pretty much
You can try it.
I already tried.
Oh yeah.
Gets you right there, doesn't it? Right there.
Yeah,
Love
it's
it.
like a bit lemony, sour.
Yeah. It's going a long way, isn't it? Yeah.
Butter.
Butter. Yeah.
It shouldn't look that much, but it It's really fresh and nice.
Yeah, it's really
This is gorgeous.